How to send fake snaps on Snapchat without filter. Hello everybody, if you're wondering how, you may follow up this step. So open up Snapchat, and then once you do this, you may tap and click a photo from your screen like you normally do. And once that is done, you may find this interface. Now from the given interface, look for the sticker option. And then after tapping on sticker, from this different options, look for the upload option where you can upload a picture. Tap on it, and after tapping on it, all you gotta do is select up a picture that you would like to send. And once you've selected, you may zoom it out like this, and then tap on send to, and select up the person that you would like to send it to. And that's how you basically send a photo to someone, fake snaps, without even using any kind of filter. So that's it for now. You may follow this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.